Hi everyone, here is Juraj, and basically this video will be continuation of the strain review, and specifically this strain is Blackberry, which I grew in basically the bonsai style. Video to this grow is on my channel, so you can check on that. So let's have a look on this flower. So basically this flower, I kept the sample and cured it more than 4 months, around 5th month, to see how the flower will be developed, and basically the profile of the aromas, how this will be also as well, and the curing of the trichomes, how this will go. And basically it looks very nice that the curing process was successful and okay. So this flower basically for me has very strange aroma, because it is like more like spice, which sometimes I used to give into the soup when I prepare it, and it is smelling like that very mildly, and it is just very aroma which is basically like this is strange to describe the aromas, but it's like softly grind spice into the soup, but not hot spice. It's like the mix of the black spices, red spices, something like that. It's a very nice aroma, and this plant grew into as the bonsai style. The reason was because I shocked her a little bit during the movement with the plant, and when the plant experienced specific type of stress, specifically autoflowers, and this was on the roots area, because plant moves and settled a little bit down with the roots, so it shocked her, so she remained in the bonsai style, but that's okay, she grew anyway. Also the development of flower was very nice and grow. It was my sample just after 4 or 5 months to see that how the plant will smell, and the curing and the intensity, because on the sunflowers it goes very intensively high or higher, where on the others not so much. So it depends on the strains and the genetics of the flowers, but the curing process is one of the important parts of it. But this obviously you can do with the flower in any stage whatever you want, basically. Just depends on the what this should be, right? It depends on the who has it. That's all basically. This was very nice grow. I had a lot of fun to grow with this plant. It was also my first grow or second grow plant with the bonsai style. So if you will experience that your plant will go into bonsai, keep it that way and enjoy the grow anyway. She will make some buds, and you can enjoy her that way as well. So that's all from my side. In context of the smell, it's not exactly for me, like because I had different strains which was more pleasurable for me to grow, and smells of them as well. But definitely it was a nice plant and grow. Maybe it would be a little bit different if I would grow properly into the big plant, but that would be maybe the change in the profile structure, maybe because of the, don't know what could be the other variables there, but this is what it is. So this was Blackberry strain in the bonsai style. If you want to see that plant, how she looked when I chopped her down, so the video is on my channel. So thank you for the watching, and have a nice time. Bye.